SelectaDNA. Launched in 2008, SelectaDNA is now considered one of the most effective methods for preventing theft and robbery. It's used in jewelry stores, gas stations, and schools worldwide, across more than 20 countries. What exactly is SelectaDNA? It's a special compound that can be manually sprayed or used alongside an alarm system. It remains on the clothing, skin, and hair of offenders for weeks, aiding in their quick identification. Upon installation, warning stickers are also displayed at the site. Many criminals are aware of SelectaDNA's effectiveness and avoid marked buildings. In some areas, no theft attempts have been recorded after the installation of this solution. W Motors Ghiath Smart Patrol Car. This is police life in the United Arab Emirates. A local company has moved away from hypercars and instead built an SUV that looks like a vehicle from a sci-fi movie. It's called the Ghiath Smart Patrol, and when it was unveiled, it was one of the most technologically advanced police cars in the world. Among its features are a mobile panoramic camera, facial and license plate recognition, and a compartment for a drone. The interior is designed to ensure police officers feel comfortable even wearing equipment. Car enthusiasts have noticed that this marvel is based on the Nissan Patrol Nismo, so you can imagine how powerful the engine is, around 428 horsepower if it hasn't been modified. Each Ghiath Smart Patrol costs about $136,000, and the police in the UAE have already purchased 400 units. Starchase Handheld GPS Launcher. In many movies, characters track their opponents' cars with GPS devices. This is also possible in real life thanks to solutions like Guardian HX. This compact handheld system is powered by compressed air and allows a tracker to be fired from a distance of 18 meters. For added precision, Guardian HX features a laser sight. The makers emphasize the battery capacity, enough for a day's work, and safety. More than 10,000 trackers have been fired without any injuries. If that's not enough, you can opt for the VX model, which is mounted on patrol cars and aids in coordinating work with other officers. Prod360 K9 SuperVision. Available for police dogs, Prod360 has developed the smart K9 SuperVision system. Now, dog handlers can not only receive images and sounds of the route the animal is traveling but also communicate with the dog and people nearby. Customers can choose from a range of cameras, from conventional to thermal imaging. Wi-Fi support, a 170 degrees viewing angle, or backlighting can be added based on preference. Additionally, the default digital radio system offers 16 channels and optimal power consumption. A single charge is enough for 12 hours of operation, and the development doesn't stop there. Prod360 continues to build new versions of its systems based on user feedback. IcePlate. Justin Lee, founder of Core Performance, was once a police officer in Southern California, where summer temperatures often exceed 30 degrees Celsius. Just imagine how sweltering it can be to wear a bulletproof vest in such heat. That's why he developed IcePlate tanks, which are filled with water, frozen, and then worn under the vest. This provides law enforcement officers with up to 4 hours of cooling, and they can then drink the cold water. Moreover, IcePlate can also serve as a heating pad during winter months when filled with warm water. A refill of water at around 88 degrees Celsius will last approximately 5 hours. In addition to IcePlate, Core Performance offers other innovative products, such as pads that can be placed under backpack straps for better ventilation. This company caters not only to police but also to the military. Prod360 SCANFORCE Metal Detector Gloves. Prod360 SCANFORCE gloves are a great product not only for police officers but also for security guards, customs officers, and military personnel. It's no surprise, as some glove models can detect objects as small as a pin or paperclip, even through fabric. SCANFORCE functions as a compact metal detector capable of detecting objects from a distance of 4 to 5 centimeters. The gloves ignore pacemakers, prostheses, or similar objects but vibrate when they detect suspicious items. This discreet approach allows the person to remain unaware of being found out, giving law enforcement time to decide the next steps. The device's battery life is impressive, lasting up to 120 hours on a full charge. Additionally, the xenon braiding provides comfort and excellent cut resistance. Motorola APX N Radios. Worldwide, Motorola produces both flexible smartphones and radios like this. They're so advanced that they can check driver's licenses and license plates with ease. Just give a voice command, and the integrated Vicky Assistant will do the job. The radio operates using AI algorithms, allowing police officers to keep tabs on suspects. The P25 model radio boasts improved audio compared to other models, along with new antennas designed for various styles of use and a battery that can last for 14 hours. AES 256-bit encryption ensures data security. Additionally, the radio supports GPS, Galileo, and GLONASS, as well as assisted GPS technology for instant positioning. Safe Fleet Focus. A great addition to the aforementioned radio is this smart camera from Safely. The Focus X2 camera deserves a spot in our video for several reasons. Firstly, it begins recording when it detects doors opening or active sirens. Secondly, the recordings are encrypted and uploaded to the cloud. If any issues arise, the 64 gigabytes of built-in memory will be invaluable. The video quality can be adjusted from 480p to 1440p. Thirdly, the camera can be adjusted via a mobile app. It's also worth noting the 15 hours of continuous recording on a single charge and the ability to use Focus X2 in temperatures ranging from 55 to -20 degrees Celsius.